is ToAuto gas melting furnace. Let's unpack it. First of all, we have the user manual. Then there is a gas hose. Then there are tongs, fire generator, connectors, furnace itself. Inside the furnace you can find a mold and crucible. Mold and crucible are made of graphite. Also inside the furnace you can see fireproof cement and fireproof cotton, which protects you from burning. Once you receive the furnace and if you notice that cement is cracked, it does not affect the normal function of the furnace. So you can use it even though the cement is cracked. Do not forget to preheat the furnace before you start using it. You should preheat it to 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. Make sure you operate in open and ventilated rooms. So do not forget to keep fire extinguisher nearby. Also, do not forget to wear fireproof gloves and a face mask when you use the furnace.